guys, I'm Ramya Jain and I will tell you a project of WhiteHat Junior, the live online coding classes for kids. So, we are this is where we are going to make it. So, let's recall the 4 steps how to make a app. The first one is to decide the purpose of the app. Our purpose of the app uh, is for one section to play and one section to study. So in this I'm gonna teach you how to code it. So let's recall all the let's go to the second step, which is design the app. So first we have to design. In this we have to put many screens, one play screen, one main screen. So I'll teach you how to do that. So this is the first screen. So we can put its ID screen main or screen 1. Okay, screen 1. So we can put another screen. So its ID can be play, screen play, and another new screen, screen study. So here these are all the three screens. If you want to add more, it's your choice. You can do it from here. Like I want to add another screen here, which is screen start. So I'll put a start button on the screen. So I want this screen also. So let's get started with the main screen. We have to put 2 buttons to show, do you want to play or do you want a stopwatch. So see, like this. But so we'll do it. So button play and the text in it will be play. I'll do the width and height a little bigger more. $195. So it's like this. I'm increasing the height also to suppose 100 or 120 or 150. It's the coder's choice. So I want the text to be a little more bigger. Text, changing the width to 150. Now I'm changing the background color, which is here. I can do it to any color, but I wanna do green. Yes, so we have to add another button for, and it's text size, font size, see it's here, and make it 30. You can change the font also. I'm changing it to this or this, yeah. And the second button, so this will be button stopwatch. button stopwatch. The text in it will be stopwatch. So see, I'll make the height and width the same as this, 170 and 150. And I'm doing it in same. So I'm doing the X position the same. The X position is the up to down thing, and the Y position is from the left to right. So its X position is 80 and it is 105. So I'm doing it 80. See, now they are in both together. I'm changing the color, which can be that color only. See this, and the font I'll copy. It's 40. So for this also I'm doing 40. It's a little bigger, so I'll do it 30 or 25. Yeah, and changing it to. Now I think I can do more bigger. Yeah. So we are done with our main screen. Let's design the play screen. I'll do the study screen in the next video. So see, I'm doing the screen start. Okay, so its ID is button start. So it's easier. Start. The width, I'm making it 200. Height 200. Yes. So I'm changing the background color. See, it's like this. I'm changing the size also, font size, making it to 50. Yeah, and now I'm making it to this. Yeah, and now we are done with the start screen. Now the study screen. No, the play screen. In this we have to put a button. So we'll put no text here. The width will be 50. Height will be 50. So I'm changing the color again because I don't like this one color. Yeah, so I have to put a label as score written in it, so the score will come. Label score and the text in it is score. I'm changing the text color to dark blue. No, light blue. Text. Font size to 30. And I have to add another label which has nothing in it, just the score. So Y position is 35. So I'll do its position also 35. No, it's for the X position. X position, I'll make it 50. No, it's 180, 180, and the Y position is 50. Yeah, so I have to empty label blank. There's no text inside it because we don't need the text. It's for the score that we'll do. So it's something like this. I'm changing the height to 30 and the width to 30 only. Its position is correct. Its Y position. Now it's okay. So let's code now. So first we have to put a set screen there. Set screen to the main screen because it will only be set screen. See, it's here. Set screen to main screen. See, screen main. Then the user will press any one button. So when button play is clicked, we have to set screen to the start screen. See, it's optional, the start screen. If you want, you can do it, and if you don't, you shouldn't. So in that we have to put another when, because in that there's only one button. See, screen start. See, so when the start button is pressed, when button start is clicked, we have to set screen to the play screen. See, just a moment. Just a moment. See, so it's set screen to the play screen. See, play screen. Then it's here. This is the score. So in this we have to put when so the score is 0. So we have to use this block. In this, the X means the score. So we'll use it onwards. So this much I've done. Now wait for my second video. Then the third and the fourth. In this, it's 4 parts. So this much is in the first video. So wait for the second video. Bye. Please subscribe my channel and give this video a like. Thank you.